Hi, my name is Violeta Duran. Here are the places that I vacationed. Right here, this is me and my cousin. This is in a state called Jalisco in Mexico. Right here you could see this is a park that I used to go when I was small. I used to play there. And then right here, this is a pool. It's not very people friendly anymore, as you could tell. This is a church nearby the little town where my family's from is actually in the state of Jalisco, but this is a different town called Talpa, Jalisco. They have a really big church here. Then right here, this is me and now my husband. We visited Rosarito, Mexico as well. This is where we stayed, and this was our way towards our room. It was pretty nice. This was like a hotel, and these were like little villas. And then right here, this is us having lunch. We had a lobster, oysters. We love to eat. We love all types of food. And then recently, this past December, we visited Zacatecas, Mexico, which is a different state in Mexico. And this is where my husband is from. Right here, this is a view from his grandma's house. She lives in a ranch. And here is the name of the little town, Panotitlan. Here are some tacos that we devoured. And then this is another state in Mexico. This is its own state as well. And we went during Christmas time, so this is like their central, like their downtown right here. They decorated really nice with the Christmas lights. And here's a Christmas tree. And this is their cathedral. This is a Catholic cathedral. It's really nice. All this up here is gold plated. This is New Year's Day, actually. We went to Mass on New Year's Day. And that is it as of now. These are the places that I vacation, and I hope to vacation many more.